Hello, I'm back. I thought I'd make a quick video. So I've got a little job today that I want to do on the Doka, which is basically to change the front bumper, because I've never liked this colour coded bumper. So rather than repaint it, I just bought another bumper from Just Kampers, which I've had for like a few weeks, which is here, just like a pattern bumper. I've also got an old T4 bumper which my friend gave me, which has got all the foam in, so the plan is I'm going to swap that over to the other bumper. So give a quick update to what else I've done. One big thing is I've had the demountable repainted. It wasn't in amazing condition, and someone had painted the roof in the past, so I've had it repainted. Also fitted this roof rack to my other Syncro, which is actually a T5 Rhino roof rack. And then I've also fitted new wings. You'll see I haven't put the bumper back on this yet either. I also had the rear wheel arches, new arches welded in, inner and outer. Then I've had the side of the van resprayed, so looks pretty tidy now, but I really need to crack on because I've got to put everything back in. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with this bumper. It's bloody freezing, but better do something, otherwise it'll be another wasted day. So the first job's just to remove the old bumper. That's pretty straightforward. Underneath the number plate there's a couple of bolts you have to remove, I think M13s, and there's a Torx head here and then one underneath. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the other thing I'm going to have to do is, obviously on a Syncro you've got this extra vent, so I've bought one of those from Volkswagen. So the plan is to obviously cut that, and then the other thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to trim the bottom corners of this bumper, which I've had to do on here as well, because I'm running bigger tyres. It actually rubs on lock, so I plan to do that. I'll just probably use an angle grinder with a sanding disc or something like that. Anyway, I'll crack on. Okay, the foam's held in with some clips of these. So they're quite tight actually, but you just can sort of lever them off with a screwdriver, which is what I'm doing. Okay, I managed to get the foam off the other bumper. To be honest, it's quite a tight fit onto this one for some reason, but it is a pattern bumper from Just Kampers. So I just refitted the clips. Quite easy, just got a pair of pliers, sort of pushed them down. It's not like the foam's going to drop out anyway once it's on. So yeah, the next job is I'll remove the other bumper. So the bolts underneath the number plate are just 13mm, so just whip them out. Then in the wheel arches you've just got a T30 that's got to come out. Okay, both sides appear to be C's. They're in all the crap in there. I'll just spraying a bit of penetrating oil on them. I'll just leave that. The lower bolt's also a T30. I put a bit of penetrating oil on the top of them though, because they're in all the crap. Just removed. Let's get the bumper off, just pull it out at the top. It just pretty much drops off. Anyway, so I just noticed one interesting thing. This van's got this plastic piece, whereas the other one, it's not got it. Oh well. Okay, I've done a quick test fit. It was a bit hard to get on actually. I had to muck about with the position of the foam. but I'm just gonna drop it off again. Now I know it will actually go on, and as well as trimming the bumper, I'm just gonna give this a rub down, and quick coat of paint, and at the same time. Okay, I've trimmed these edges off a bit, both sides, and I've just made a template of the cutout. So that's the next job. So I've checked the position on the other one, and I've just temporarily stuck down the template with a bit of contact adhesive. So I'm now going to attempt to cut around it carefully. Okay, I cut the hole out with this Dremel tool, the little cutting blade, and then tidied up the hole afterwards with this. So that's fitted now. So that's it, it's all fitted now. As I said, it's a Just Kampers bumper. To be fair, it's a bit tight. So yeah, it's all right. The quality seems all right. I mean, it's probably slightly less than half the price of the Volkswagen bumper, genuine bumper. Obviously, some people probably prefer it with a colour-coded bumper, but you know, I personally prefer uncolour-coded. The part number for the vent, you need to get one, 7D0807238-2BC. Should probably still be available. I mean, I bought this one a couple of years ago, so it's worth checking.